Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, LadySamoan, and we are here with another video. Y'all, I was so excited. I was so excited to check the mail because I knew this was coming. And what better people to share it with than my crochet family? Y'all, I'm so excited. So we're going to jump right in. I'm not even going to push too long with this video, y'all. We're gonna get to the goods immediately. So I ordered a bag, and I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm opening it. I saw Priscilla's video from Distinctive Crochet. Now it's Distinctively Handmade. She has changed her channel name to Distinctively Handmade. I'm gonna put all her stuff in the description below, even the website where you can order yourself a bag. So Priscilla did a video, and on the video she was talking about how she has a website for her bags, and she said she was going to show some of the bags that she had on the website, y'all. When I heard website for bags, I clicked that little button that said take me to my browser and take me to that website. So before she could show the bags on the actual video, I was already on the website because Priscilla has amazing bags. Yo, okay. Look. Y'all, I had some more stuff to tell y'all, but I just had so look at that. So Priscilla has amazing bags, and I want to go ahead and get this out the way before we look at this actual bag. So I was just like, let me go ahead. When I saw the panda print on the website, y'all, I said, you know what? I think she made this bag for me. You know, she didn't know it. She did not know it. But when I seen this colorful, just like panda, it's not even color. It's like, I don't know. It's something that said, shh, this was for you. Yeah, I'm so excited. So I was just like, you know what? This is my bag. Immediately, I was like, I gotta go get this bag. So I went and just did my order. And then I went back to the video, and then she started showing the different bags. And I was like, look at my bag. Yeah, I was so excited. So Priscilla, I'm looking at the way to open it before, because it comes packaged very well, y'all. First of all, let me show y'all that. It comes in this packaging. So while I'm trying to open this right here, I'm going to tell y'all. I ordered my first ever bag from Priscilla. I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. And it was my very first handmade bag. And I was so excited from that. And it was off a video that she did last year that I happened to come across. And I was just like, you know what? I got to have a nice bag so that I can take with me. We're going to talk about that. But I love my bag. So when I seen this, I made a commitment to myself. I said 2023 purchases for me when it comes to crochet are going to be things that make sense for me. It has to make sense in my crochet world. You know what I'm saying? I can't just buy because I want to just add to this or do this. I want it to actually make sense and add value to my actual crochet. And y'all, I have a nice little thank you card here from Priscilla. So cute. Look at that colorful thank you. Oh, and a nice little note. I'm not going to read it to y'all, but I'm going to read it to myself. I'm glad she put the name in it, y'all. It's the double-decker crossbody sling bag. Now, first of all, that was an immediately hit too, because I was just like, double-decker crossbody? That means I could sling it across me, and I can walk around with my crochet stuff. And like, you know, one thing too, because I was like, if you put it on your shoulder, sometimes it fall off, depending on, you know, whatever. But to have a crossbody where you can sling around you and you can crochet when you walk, yo, I was so immediately, I said, this is going to add value to my crochet. This is going, okay. She says, I have to share this one line. I hope it makes crafting on the go more enjoyable. You know what? I truly appreciate you, Priscilla. I appreciate you even more because you are an awesome, amazing person. And honestly, I know it's going to make crafting on the go better. That should be the tagline for the crossbody crochet bag, y'all. Craft it on the go. Make it crafted on the go easier. That should be the tagline. Because listen. Woo, yeah. Okay. Let's show you this before I show you the inside. So this is the bag. And it's her double-decker crossbody. Because this is her design to where when I saw it, I said, ain't no way. And one thing about adding value to y'all, not only added value, the creativity of the artist that creates the items, y'all, we have to give it to Priscilla because this design is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I love her play on fabrics. I love how she combined everything together. So I can actually put a ball of yarn in here, right? Boom. We're going to put our ball of yarn to the bottom in this. That can actually zip right back up. And in here, y'all, look at this. We have a little eyelet hole here that we got 2 of them. So the yarn can go through that and I can zip this up because, listen here. This is genius. So my yarn is in the bottom. I have it coming up through the top. Now, one thing I like about that design too is that I don't have to worry about having like so many strings in my bag and I don't know which one to pull from. Automatically, with it being feeding through there, it kind of helps with the control of so many strings getting tied up within each other when you're crocheting on the go, because that really is a thing. I can sit in the car and then excuse me, when I pull a string, it could get caught up with another one, or if I have a couple of balls together. So this right here is amazing. So you can pull the actual string through here. I hope I'm showing y'all this good. Listen, I'm not saying I got the most professional unboxing video, but I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's the most one with all the love, because hey, we get this right here. Woo! Y'all, I absolutely love it. I love it, love it, love it. So then she has that right there. Now check out the inside though. We cannot let this go. The inside fabric is, look how that play on this right here with this beautiful, I don't want to say pink because it gives me more like a peach color, the peach with the panda fabric. And then look, we have this right here. Everything just looks so lovely to play on the fabrics. That's one thing with me. I love, like, some people would consider it mix up. I consider it absolutely just amazing, y'all. I feel like mixing up fabrics, I feel like mixing up crochet, like I love the things that don't necessarily, where people would say this don't match, it matches to me. It's like something about this just screams like all of this is supposed to go together. So not only did she give us that fabric, but look here how she changed that, went with this here and added this. Everything flowed together. And for everything on this bag to flow together, you have to be a special type of artist, and I'm gonna call her an artist. Some people feel like because they like an artist should be just someone who draws. No, if you are creative in any of your crafts that you do, you can, and to me, in my eyes, you're considered artists, y'all. People who make crochet hooks, people who make crochet items, like y'all are awesome artists. So anyways, this right here makes it easy. We have the nice drawstring right here. So that's one thing that I absolutely love about it too, because it's easy to open, easy to, you know, get in and out, you know. And if you're crocheting on the go and you have your crossbody slinged across, look right here, y'all. Look how the attention to detail, everything is just so beautifully made. Like everything is beautifully made, and it's easy for your yarn to come up through the top when you have the drawstring versus the zip. You know, if you drawstring, it's going to capture that yarn the way it's supposed to be, and you're ready to go. You're out of here. You're like crocheting and walking, and this is like next level crocheting, you know. This is like mobile crochet, just awesomeness, okay? So then I also like that she has distinctive crochet on her tags. This is so awesome, y'all. I think I'm not just saying this, but this bag makes me happy. This right here, like I said, when I first saw it, it was something that said, she made it for you. She may not have said that. I'm telling y'all. I know she probably did not say that, but she don't know she did not say that. I think it was already just in there, like, you know what, this is for me. This is for LadySamoan, the Lady of Crochet, and I know this bag is for her. I'm gonna stick to it, and that's what I'm sticking to, y'all. But this is Priscilla's double, because I want to get the name right. This is her double-decker crossbody sling bag. And if y'all have not had the pleasure of owning any crochet bags from Priscilla, I'm telling you, if there's anything that you feel like I want to add value to my crochet, I mean, I want to add just a smile on my face, and that comes in the form of a crochet bag, y'all, distinctively handmade is where it's at. I'm going to put all of her information to the bottom because her bags are awesome. Now, I said I was going to show y'all this. I don't want to hold y'all too long. Thank y'all for sticking with me because, listen, I know sometimes you'll be like, this could be a bit much, but it ain't too much when you're getting all this goodness. So, now, I do have this bag that I ordered from Priscilla, and it's full, y'all. I have some stuff in there. So, this right here is my very first bag, and y'all, as y'all can see, it is in very good use because it is packed in there. It is packed in there. So I use this on a daily. Now, one thing when I go out and about, sometimes I'm more so like, oh, I don't want to mess up my bag. So like if I go get my hair done, different places that I go, I have to make sure that I have something to secure the bottom so that the bottom of my bag does not touch anything I don't want it to touch. But I do carry this when I go get my hair done, or if I have to make some errands and it's me and the family and I'm sitting in the passenger side, y'all. Here we go. This is going with me. So I got this bag from her, and it has a beautiful zip here. And as you can see, y'all, okay, we have the zip here, we have a pocket here, and we have some stuff going on in there. And not only that, I really loved how she played off on the fabrics again here. We have the butterfly. We have this right, y'all, beautiful, beautiful bag. And I've had this for a while, and as you can see, it has held up, y'all. This string is from a yarn, so, but it has held up like beyond nothing. And look at the colors. It's still beautiful. Y'all, when I had saw this too, I said she made this for me. It's like when I see certain things, I know people make it for me. It's almost like they may not even know me, but they did not know that they made that for me. That's how I feel. So this was this one. And I also got from Priscilla with that same order, I got this bag that came with it. And now this right here I carry, it's like you would think it's my Siamese twin because this is around me like 24/7 when it comes down to me in the house or anything. And I just keep a lot of my the use I have for this. I have some crochet hooks in here. I have some little eyes that I keep for my amigurumi. The little thing that I use to put my eye on, my eye jig, I'm sorry. And just some other little odds and ends, little notions and stuff that I keep in here. And I keep this around me all the time because some of my favorite hooks, which are, y'all, I love hooks, but my favorite hooks are the Clover Amour hooks. And I may, you know, coming up, I may do another hook video, like showing you my hook collection. I did one a while ago, but I'm due for another one. But I have something special in the hook game coming up. But Hover, goodness, what am I thinking? Clover Amours, they are my absolute favorite. Even when I get them in these special hooks like these right here, I try to get a Clover Amour in it because it's something about the Clover Amour, or I get a Susan Bates. And honestly, I don't crochet as well with the Susan Bates as I do with the Amours. I can crochet with them, but the Clover Amour always catches me right on back. So this bag is what I have with it as well. And then that came with that same thing. I got, look at this, y'all. It is her triangle bag, but this is like the notion pouch. This right here, and look, I have some stitch markers on there. I do not use these stitch markers. I use them as decoration for my notions bag because I love the inside of the inside of the bag. I'm gonna show y'all. I have my needles in there, and I also have some of these stitch markers here. So when I do use stitch markers, y'all, I use the plastic ones, the traditional like plastic little ones like these. These are the ones that I use 9 times out of 10, kind of like my Clover Amour. But I still like collecting stitch markers because I have a whole, these are the ones I have on this right here, but I have some more in my collection as well. So these are the things that I ultimately keep on me at all times. And y'all, it's just so easy to carry it around, carry the bag. The one thing I really like about Priscilla bags as well, they make me happy. The colors are amazing. The fabric choices are awesome. The way that she blends the different fabrics together is just out of this world to me, y'all. I really feel like the quality of the products are highly made. They're high quality. And if you have not, like I said, if you're in the looks for beautiful handmade, it's not just crochet, because I don't think you could just use it for crochet, because I'm not gonna story. Like, I'm not a bag girly at all, and sometimes certain bags can turn into like an overall everything bag. So it doesn't necessarily have to be just for crochet, but if you need a project bag or you're in the looks for a bag, I'm telling you, Priscilla's bags are amazing. She has some awesome stuff on her website and some unique things. That's one thing I like. I like different things. I like things that doesn't look the same. You know what I'm saying? Because it's just does. It's I don't know. I'm running now. So anyways, I wanted to really unbox that with my crochet family, you know, and we're going to leave this video on an inspiration jar pick. So, and I usually do it in the beginning, but y'all, I was too excited to open that bag. It is so cute. It is so cute. So let me pull one of these out. This one came. So this message is for somebody. I don't know who. Y'all, it could be me and it could be for me, just because I write it too. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It could still be for me as well. And I stand on that. Okay. So, whew. This one says, anything without context is hard to understand. Explain how you feel, even if you believe they should already know or understand what you're experiencing. Not everyone thinks the same. Y'all, that is so important. And that is a lesson that I had to learn, because listen, life is my biggest teacher. This world is my biggest classroom. I have multiple degrees, and I don't say that to throw it in anyone's faces, but I will honestly say life degrees does not stand 10 toes down to those school degrees that I have, because you're going to constantly be learning. Some things that I learned in school does not apply out here right now. So life has a way of teaching us so many different things. We have to just keep our hearts open, keep our minds open, and also aim for understanding, because you never know who you're going to meet. You never know how you're going to impact that person or how that person will impact you. But we also have to remember, just because we think a certain way, don't mean everyone thinks that way. Everyone has an opinion, but you don't have to take their opinion and say, you know what, this is it. This is golden. No, whatever they did or whatever they're doing and it's working for them, that's because the circumstances in their lives, it aligns to whatever it is that they believe in or what they're doing, not necessarily what you should be doing, because your classroom of life will look a little different than, I don't care if it's a sister in the same house, a brother in the same house, I don't care who it is. Your classroom of life looks different for you, because you're the student. You're the student, and you have to pass those tests, not anybody else. I don't care how much we try to cheat by using someone else's cheat sheet. It may work for a little bit, but at the end of the day, that's not intended for what it's supposed to be for us. So just remember that. Just remember that. So that is my little inspiration note. I hope that touches someone today. I hope that y'all have an amazing, wonderful day. I hope y'all have an amazing, wonderful weekend. And like I said, look in the description, y'all. I'm going to put everything about this double-decker bag. Y'all, this is so amazing. This is beautiful, y'all. This is beautiful. I wish I had it filled up to show y'all. This is so cute. So this is my bag from Distinctively Handmade, y'all. This is my bag. I hope that y'all enjoyed this unbagging with me. And as always, I want y'all to remember, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and I will see you next time.